Hey guys, how you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing okay. As for me, I'm doing fine. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I prepare my Sierra Leone jollof rice. Yes, we have the best jollof rice, hands down. So for this recipe, I have my onion, I have my carrot, and I have my bell pepper, and I have my garlic. Yes, you need garlic. And I also have my cabbage. I have my cabbage. I have already sliced it. I have my meat. I have already boiled it. It's cooked. And I also have my rice. I'm going to use brown rice for this jollof rice. And I have my vegetable oil. Yes, I have my vegetable oil. And I have my seasoning. I have this is thyme, and I have this seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and I have black pepper, and I also have another seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice though, but you must put thyme. Yes, you must have thyme, and I also have my tin tomato paste. So if you have bay leaf, you can add bay leaf, but I don't have bay leaf for this recipe today, so I'm going to skip bay leaf, but you can add bay leaf. guys, my jollof rice is ready. You can go ahead and give this recipe a try. Trust me, this jollof rice tastes so delicious. I swear, this jollof rice tastes so delicious. And guys, thank you for watching. If you have watched up to the end, thank you for watching. And please, if you have not yet subscribed, please go now and hit the subscribe button and join this wonderful family. And to my return subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Thank you. I really appreciate the love. Thank you, guys. Please, let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Please share my video, share the link. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to give this recipe a try. Trust me, it tastes so delicious. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.